Welcome back, everybody, to Funky Star TV News Time. Be prepared to face more struggle over self-determination. Now, him be the topic of this segment when we want dance into. The group when they yan na the group where they call Mossop, and all of us know what Mossop stand for, and for those of you now who don't know the meaning of Mossop, it stands for Movement for the Actualization of the Sovereign State of Biafra. They call it Mossop. And then they talk to FG, that is the federal government, and the leader of this Mossop. Now, that guy, when all of us know, one I don't tell I recently see, this guy they call Uche Mofo and Asari Dokubo. Go one corner, go stab him for back. In him na Chief Raf Wasurike, na they call him. The one when if they give him some money to go do something for him people, he go carry that money, go take build hotel. Another man when we say he dey against IPOB in everything. When the leader of IPOB they do, the man dey against it. But I mean the Owazurike, but the man when be the leader of IPOB Nnamdi Kanu not send a message, because he already know who him be. Like the way when Mazi Nnamdi Kanu take know Uche Mofo very very well. Uche Mofo is Judas Iscariot. Those are the monsters when they fall Biafran land. So the Mossop and in group that they talk to federal government. Remember, say their claim they say that they fight for Biafra, but the way when they fight for that Biafra, they different to the way when Mazi Nnamdi Kanu they fight his own. Their own Nawayo fights. I mean, Mossop own Nawayo fight. That is, I go come and Konyano later. I go pass back, go to Ghana, Moscow. Now me own. But Mazi Nnamdi Kanu own a straightforward agitation, open agitation with all his heart. Now they take a fight time. Even the world knows about it. Now, before we go into this Mossop, make I just tell Nigerian people and Biafran people worldwide the news when they on board right now about Britain, that is London themselves. When we see then they join hand with the Fulani people to intimidate and oppress Biafran people, or other Nigerian groups. Then with the Fulani, then they 247 many years they come. In fact, most of the Fulani strategies now Britain, they go train them how to talk, what to do, and how to do it, when to do. Okay. Today, the news they tell us, say, now just breaking news, ladies and gentlemen, for Biafran people, when be IPOB people, the news they tell us, say, the British people, they don't agree to they give IPOB people. That is those people when they marginalize, when the federal government of Fulani they intimidate and they oppress, they kill, say they will give them refugee. All of us know what in refugee be. Now be asylum. So if you go London now, you be IPOB. According to the news, ladies and gentlemen, you go make your research and you're gonna see it. And say they're going to give IPOB asylum, man. But that comment now go down with Funky D's and his crew, because I can't think about sabotaging. Because how can the Britain people, when we say that they against Biafran people, now they want to begin to give Biafran IPOB people refugee? I can't wonder be they won't sell out Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, abi they find a way to destroy IPOB. Remember, say some few months back, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu dismantle IPOB in London. So who knows whether the British people, that is the London government, well, the British government, whether they want to use that opportunity, say, Nnamdi Kanu don't dismantle. That is what I'm thinking, ladies and gentlemen. It's my own thinking. Never know, because I think about sabotaging. Maybe they want to use those IPOB people when Mazi Nnamdi Kanu don't dismantle in London, take sabotage Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and IPOB worldwide by claiming, say, they won't give them refugee, that is asylum. So if you are the IPOB, you go there, go seek asylum, they will come, they will welcome you. That is their claim. This claim, now today, they everywhere in the news. But after some few hours, when the news don't break out, somebody like La Mohammed called the Nyan, say something they wrong somewhere. Say how the British people will claim, say they won't give IPOB asylum, that is refugee. Anytime when they seek refugee, say they will give them refugee. Now so La Mohammed called the verse. Say these people, then they do like kangaroo. All of them who know whether they don't plan and say, okay, if we nyan like this, La Mohammed will come and call nyan like that, so that they no go quickly think, say, we won't do bad thing to IPOB people. I hope you know where I'm coming from and you know where I'm going. Because the claiming of giving IPOB asylum in London, when some months back Mazi Nnamdi Kanu dismantled IPOB in London, who knows whether the British government want to use those people to get Mazi Nnamdi Kanu or to get IPOB. Never know. Nobody know their intention. But I'm not sure say they get good intention. I'm not sure say they get good intention for the IPOB people. I mean for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and his team. That is what we are trying to talk about right here. We don't know whether not good intention, which I doubt, because even the way when this guy take jump out, when be La Mohammed, they claim, say, how can London, how can British people give IPOB refugee? The news is in everywhere, ladies and gentlemen. You can go and make your research. They can just, do their wuru-wuru, okay, when we talk like this, okay, British go tell somebody like FG, when we talk like this, then you people will talk like that, so that nobody will think that we have bad intention on them. But nobody knows. Anyway, that is not the bone of contention. I just say, make I tell my people about the latest news regarding refugee, that is the asylum, and the British people and IPOB. All right. So this guy, when be Owazurike and his group, when be Mozart people, now then they tell FG now, say, me then get prepared to face more struggle over self-determination. Remember now, see, this self-determination, not be today they don't fight them. Like I said, Owazurike don't do it on take make money. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu won't give us Biafra. It's a two different thing, because if Owazurike na true fighter, a true freedom fighter, all this thing when they come and they talk bad about Nnamdi Kanu, talk bad about ESN, talk bad about IPOB, enough for the talker. If in the fight, if in get good intention for Biafran people. That is why people not even believe him. Remember, say recently don't come claim saying go give Ebubago 5,000 men when go work with Ebubago and governors. Governors when they sabotage IPOB, hate IPOB, dislike IPOB. So if it was really fight through fight, he could have already joined forces with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to fight out this Biafra. But in they go meet Asari Dokubo. So now Asari Dokubo say, no, now me be the main traitor. Don't near me. Now me go be your oga. Asari Dokubo come declare, waiting in declare when up to today, Asari Dokubo no feature Federal Executive Council. That is FAC. He not fit call FAC meeting for one day over a month now when he don't declare waiting in declare. All those things now concocted things when they may actually allow people, they give them money, go they talk, go they do for corner. But you see now, say today, all those is what they do. Not go nowhere, you not fly, you not shake IPOB base, you not shake Mazen and the Kano, you not even shake an ants. So make we see how Wazirike did they tell their Muhammadu Buhari and his federal government say make them prepare well because make them get ready because now agitation go start. Say they never see anything, make them they cry foul again because they never see anything and now they go see the real agitation. But once again, if Wazirike they really fight, they truly fight for Biafran people, if we don't join the Ohamadike one of Biafran land, when be the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. So may we read, may we see how you take talk with him, talk. See, make them prepare because make them get ready because now the agitation starts according to Wazirike. The leadership of the movement for the actualization of the sovereign state of Biafra must challenge President Muhammadu Buhari's led federal government to get more prepared for wolf and fowl crying over the struggle for self-determination, saying threat would not solve the problem. Una don hear now, you know, see every time na him. The federal government, they use army, they use police, they use DSS, they threaten people, they intimidate people, they arrest innocent Biafran youth all the time. But check them out. All these things, when they happen again in Biafran land, we never hear say they carry army, they carry DSS, they carry police, they carry this and that to go arrest youths in Yoruba land. We must speak the truth, ladies and gentlemen. Mossop told the president that the activities of the Fulani terrorist herdsmen and Fulanistic cabals that negatively influence his administration are a major cause of Nigerian fight to disintegration, which he ought to urgently tackle rather than using threat to self-determination agitators. The federal government of Nigeria is now crying the cries of Biafrans. We are happy that our oppressors is being oppressed by their own mechanization. He who laugh last, laugh best. Mossop and other pro-Biafra we continue with our principle of non-violence to bury the remaining carcasses of Nigeria. Mossop leader, Comrade Uchenna Mado. On its own, the Chidi Ibi-led Ohanaeze Ndigbo call on Buhari's government to change tactics and hold a roundtable meeting with agitators. The group, through its Secretary General, Izugwazuru Okechukwu, promised to assist federal government to bring all Biafran agitators to roundtable discussion and negotiation. Now today, we hopefully expect them to grab this rare opportunity and take with them. The best approach is to change tactics and strategy in dealing with secessionist threat rather than resorting to an eye for an eye. The federal government should know what is good for the goose is also good for the gender. It is not fair to use carrot and stick policy for bandit and Boko Haram members in the north and use brutal forces against agitators in the south. Negotiation are the best approach for rebuild trust and confidence amongst agitating groups. Insacarating and military action are updated weapons used to win the battle against secessionist threats. So even the way when these people are young right now, like all these Mossop and their people, they are still in this same one Nigeria of a thing. They want the government to call them so that they will go and grab some big money. That's why they are calling government, come to the round table, come to the round table. The round table issue have been, a very, very long time. And the government say, no, we are not willing to come to the round table with your people. And the thing when the government tell them, not be today that they call government, go meet now. Even Femi Fani-Kayode, the former aviation minister, don't beg federal government many years to come to the round table to talk to call Nnamdi, call Sunday Igboho, call Nnamdi, call Sunday Igboho, call Nnamdi, call Nnamdi, call IPOB. They said no. So this 2023 matter now make issue Guazoro and these Mozo people begin talk about, oh, federal government should know that they don't do this, and federal government should know that they do that. Nobody want to stay one Nigeria again. That is my conclusion. And finally, the post be prepared to face more struggle over self-determination must appear first on Vanguard. So, yes, ladies and gentlemen, as so then tell us waiting that they tell us right now. Be prepared to face more struggle over self-determination. Now, then when be the Mozo people, not then the Nyan, like the way when the Nyan. The federal government, like I said before, they say they no go ever negotiate. So that is why the zoo must crumble. Oduduwa Republic, Professor Akintoye, there's IGP Baba. Don't see that they dead like never seen before. Then this issue of Akintoye and IGP will be in the next segment. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, on I don't hear they say that they call President Muhammadu Buhari make he use calmness to follow these agitators, otherwise problem good day and made them day ready for the struggle, because the next level when they want to take this their struggle go now another next level. But again, if you feel say somebody like Owazurike, they fight, refight. They fight, refight for Biafran people. Come down to our comment section and let us know. And if you say in the fight for yourself, make you still come tell us waiting be your own personal opinion. Ladies and gentlemen, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. One love everybody, and see you guys next time.